If you're an Android user, there are not a lot of choices when it comes to wireless earbuds. I mean, there is, though there's nothing quite like Apple's AirPods. They might not be everybody's thing, but they started creeping into the Android world precisely because it was hard to find anything else. Thankfully, now we have the Samsung Galaxy Buds, made specifically for Android folks. Samsung may be the big name behind these buds, but a few weeks listening to podcasts and grooving to music with them prove they are exactly the kind of accessory that Android users have been missing.
This is Twit.
Like the Apple AirPods, the Galaxy Buds come inside a stylish little charging case. The 252 milliamp size battery inside it lasts a long time. I found one charge of the case could keep the buds recharged for at least 2 weeks inside my purse, which is incredibly convenient for a person who is always on the go. The Galaxy Buds themselves should last up to 6 hours in your ear. I found that to be the case after 3 hours of continuous streaming from my phone. I still had 55% battery life left in at least one of the buds and 45% in the other. Let's talk about fit. The one thing I like about the Galaxy Buds is that they are nothing like the AirPods. They're small, they're round, and they come with a helping of bud tips to help situate them in your ear. The buds are comfortable to wear for an extended period, though I felt afraid to do anything that required heavy body movement. They're fine walking from the train and up the stairs, but the trail in the gym might be a different story. To connect the buds to your phone, you'll need the Gear app before you can pair it with Bluetooth. The app offers a few equalizer settings and the ability to reprogram the buds' outer touchpads to do things like adjust the volume, change songs, and even call up the assistant on your phone. Turn down the volume 20%. It's meant to be a convenient feature, but I found it to be finicky. Often, the buds wouldn't register how many times I touched the pad, leading me to just pull out my phone to do whatever it is I wanted to do. Once you get them paired, the Galaxy Buds turn on the minute you place them in your ear. It's quite convenient. And since the buds sit deeply in your ear, you'll get more of the noise cancellation effect. That doesn't mean you're shutting the world out, though. In the Gear app, you can enable ambient mode, which pulls in light sound through the buds' external microphones. It's good for knowing what's going on when you're commuting, and you can turn on a feature to up the sound on voices to hear people actually talking to you. Overall, the Galaxy Buds are a worthy consideration if you're an Android user. They're stylish, comfortable, functional, and they charge on the go. They're offered at a pretty accessible price point too. $130 for these buds compared to the $160 price tag of the AirPods. Samsung's next major foray into wireless earbuds bodes well for Android users. Finally, a pair of buds designed with us in mind. Hopefully this means more choice to come in the future, but for now, the Galaxy Buds are a pretty good start. I'm Florence Ion from All About Android, and this is a review of the Samsung Galaxy Buds.
Keep up with all the hottest tech news and gadgets. Visit twit.tv. There you'll be able to find and subscribe to all our tech shows. Thanks for watching Hands on Tech.